How's it going, guys? I told you I'd get on here if I end up taking a buy signal, and I end up just taking one right now off of this signal here, a little bit indecision and pushing above here. White line here actually displays the exact entry, 7275. Actually, a little bit lower than that, a little bit about 7275, right about this area here. So what I'm looking for is a big little push, a big push up here to see if I can close this out for a profitable trade today would be really nice. Coming up to a strong level of resistance, but this just seemed like it wanted to keep pushing and pushing. Now, not only with that, we have buy signal, background's green, profit wave is green, buy signals on, and money momentum flowing up here. Guys, this is not a bad trade at all. And, you know, I'm okay taking out a little base hit runs here on these trades to see if we can capitalize on just a little bit here and there. And the thing is, every single day, we just want to go for little bits. There we go. I'm going to look at closing this out. That's $500 right there. A little bit of a push higher, see if we can get this, and I will just close this out. 500 and 600. Gosh, this thing just keeps going. Closing out. All right, there you go, guys. Perfect profitable trade. All right, let's go over here. Let's see how much this was for today. This was, actually I can see it over here, 282, but you know what, let me refresh this. I want to show you guys this. Transparency is everything here on this channel, as you guys know. Let's go back over here and reload this. Let's go to today. Come on. How about let's go to yesterday? Will it populate that? You know, I will try this again in a second. Let's go back over here and see what's happening. There we go. Even push even higher. That is so amazing, guys. This is how to use these metrics. Literally follow these metrics. And when you're getting these signals, you know, if you look back here and, you know, the old Justin would have been like, you know, bigger time frames, right? This was a strong level of resistance. I would have been like, you know what? There's no way this can go even higher. It's got to just go short right afterwards. You know, if our signals are saying just go long, then just take it long. You know, this was indecision being like, all right, we got to push, and you get that push. Now, again, we're not going for massive profits. That's just a little bit over here. Let me see if I can load this up again here. I want to show you guys this. Come on, load up. Actually, let's go for this month and see if he'll do it. I'm not sure if it'll go on here, guys. I'm so sorry. Well, you can actually see over here. It was $900 something the other day. Excuse me. $282 today. I'll shoot a screenshot and put on the thumbnail of this video. $51,200 here on the pro accounts, and there's two of those accounts that I have linked here on today. So very happy with that. Extremely happy. Did it keep going up higher? Yes, but that's okay. We don't even worry about that. All of our metrics are in line here. Look at this. Green. You know, the 1 minute and 2 minute time frame. I trade the 1 minute time frame. Well, awesome. Candles green. If I look at a time frame higher, just look at the 2 minute time frame. Well, what happened? This is showing the candles on the 2 minute time frame are all green. The background, which is this here, is green. The profit wave, which is this, is green, and money flow is green. Every single thing, not only on the time frame I'm trading, but the time frame above is also green. So you just want to go long. Take out and capitalize on this. You guys just saw the video I just posted, literally going for 6 for 6 winning trades, taking out 10 points at a time with an exact entry, stop loss, and take profit. What could you have done with this? You know, this is something else too. This trade ended up doing really well. This actually ended up hitting a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Buy signal, entry, stop loss, right at the bottom of the candle, target a 1-to-1 risk to reward. There you go. How many points was this? You know, this was about 32 points. I think in total, I ended up doing just about 20 to 25 points. Not a problem at all. I have to manually enter and exit my trades because I'm trading over here with Tradovate, with take profit accounts. So I have to manually enter and exit. Totally fine. So you guys, that is literally a live trade done right now in front of you, showing the entry and then take profit, me exiting out. So I'll try this one more time just to see if it goes. If it doesn't, you know what, that is okay. But I would really like to show you guys because I do want to just show you this. You know, I don't want there to be anything on this channel ever to be like, hey, Justin is just making up this or making up that. These are my pro accounts. These are what I trade. Gosh, guys, I'm sorry. I don't know why. Oh, of course. Right when I click off of it, it ends up going. There we go. So here's today, $285 on this account. And if we go for this week, let's see how this week's done so far. You know, 4 trades taken, 4 winning trades, 0 losses so far. So total $1,212 made on these accounts so far. So there it is right in front of you guys. So you can see everything down here on the trades that I've taken. 100% win rate so far on these pro accounts, just using these metrics. Guys, that's all I'm doing. There's not a fancy another screen like over here that I'm looking at. Seriously, I wouldn't do that to you guys. I would never do that to you guys. All it is just these metrics. Guys, you can literally go on right now in the description of this video, grab lifetime access to all these metrics, and see the exact opportunities that I'm showing you here live on YouTube. Seriously, these are done recorded live on my accounts, so you can see it right here. I don't want to take any trades off of this because I want you guys to show the transparency. This is just a little bit of a group who's already passed 550K accounts, right? What's really cool is, if you want to sit down and do more one-on-one training with myself, this is great. This is where you can do it. But if you want to do something like right now, going on literally right now as I make this video, a live trading session with Ron, who literally goes over every buy and sell signal. If you guys are someone who wants to sit down in live time, open Q&A, you can do that as well. Every Tuesday and Thursday, I have Ron, who's an affiliate of mine, who's got 20 plus years of not even only trading experience, but coaching experience. Incredible guy who's actually gone 100% win rate for April so far. Amazing. So well done to Ron. This is where you do it. Ron will go over every buy and sell signal, go over every opportunity from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And people are already seeing profits. Guys, this isn't catered as a buy-sell signal group. I want to make that very clear. Ron and I are not legal financial advisors. But what we do is we educate a lot of people on how to use these metrics to hopefully become more successful. If you click the buttons and you end up making money while analysis is going on, that's on you. Amazing job. People do that. You guys, just looking back over here, going over this trade one more time. I'm telling you guys, this is so possible. So possible. When you're getting these signals and you're entering in, I want you to just go for 10 points or just a little bit of profit each time. If you can look at trades like this and you get big movements like that and you're able to close it out for, let's say, $200 to maybe $300, do so. But that's a live trade done right in front of you. Guys, using these metrics, showing success. Currently up over $1,000 on each of these pro accounts. So excited. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. I'll get back to you guys. Let's have a great rest of our Thursday. Take care.